All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the Kershaw Concierge here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content right over here. Would you look at this? Kershaw Concierge is a budget knife designed by Dmitry Sienkiewicz, which is a fantastic knife designer. And he designed this one, which is... we can also find like a Shirogorov collaboration, and it's gonna be called the Cannabis, and it's just a gorgeous knife. Overall length on this one is gonna be 7.5 inches with a 3.2 inch long blade and 4.25 inch inch long handle. And it's an interesting one. Too bad that this has couple flaws that yeah, I can't overlook. It's nicely designed. There's some nice design. Like, look at this, for example, like the clip with this indentation and just sticking out like that and flush here. It's a good idea, but in practice, it's not ideal to slide this guy into your pocket because of the clip ramp height. It's not that big. Also, yeah, I mean, you've got HCR13 MOV steel, which is all right. I mean, this is made in China. Of course, it's a budget knife. It's going to be like $30, so it's very, very inexpensive. G10 liner lock, a couple scales. You have a nice pivot, nicely designed, a little bit of jimping going on. I love the blade shape, the hollow grind. Technically, it's great. But for example, you see, there's lock stick. Yeah, and that's something that I've been trying to break in this guy, but yeah, it's still there. And that's something that it's not really acceptable. Also, second thing is that this one has a very, very weak detent, very, very light, and it's easily, it can easily fail. Not like unsafely fail. You cannot shake the blade open, but you can easily fail like that unless you just don't apply the right pressure in at the right point. But I mean, it's a pity because this is a really, really good knife from on paper. You know, the execution from Kershaw is not ideal, I think, and that's why I prefer the Shirogorov one. But I mean, it's not comparable in price. So if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.